Have you read some of my books? Yung mga tao na nakabasa ng libro ko, sabi nila aside from being inspired, nakatulong yung mga bagay na shinare ko sa kanila to improve their lives and their businesses. People have found that my principles are simple yet practical. And ito ang gusto kong gawin, to continue to share to people the things that God has taught me para naman guminhawa yung buhay nila and mag-succeed sila sa negosyo. This Wednesday, October 30, I will do a Facebook Live to introduce 2 new books. One about entrepreneurship and the other about salesmanship. But the reason why I write my books is I'm hoping na hindi masayang ang tinuro sa akin ng Panginoon. Sana mapasa ko sila sa ibang tao. So even if I die tomorrow, nakatulong ako. I hope to see you on Wednesday, 7 p.m. ng gabi. Join me sa Facebook Live and we will give away copies of the book to some lucky people. Hope to see you then.